player of the game, Raven Lambadak and Coach Chot Reyes of TNT. Gentlemen, congratulations. Coach Chot, another tough, close, emotional, physical game. What did it take to win Game 3?
Took our very best. We actually talked about it when Justin went out, and we told I told the players this is going to be, we're going to see the best in Ebra here. Even without Justin, we have to be at our best. So I just reminded the players how strong and how deep that team is, and not to let our guards down, even with Brownlee out of the game. I thought the key was when they went on a 3-point lead in the last 5 or 6 minutes, we didn't panic and stayed calm.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Ray, 24 points. This is your highest output in a TNT uniform and your playoffs career high as well. Talk about yung decision making. Take us back yung naging thought process mo, the last few plays, even to the last play that you just threw the ball. It was a smart decision as well.
Yun nga yung lagi kong sinasabi sa interview and sa mga sinasabi sa akin na kailangan importante yung decision making ko sa loob. Lalo na wala si Kuya Jason, so I need to make more good decisions, especially yung mga ganong moments, yung mga ganong end game na mga laro. So at least nag-pay off naman, especially yung mga extra shots na ginagawa sa practice. Yun nga, let's go with the flow lang. Lalo, sinusunod ko lang yung sistema ni Coach Chot, and then isa sa malaking factor din is yung may tiwala talaga mga teammates ko sa atin.
We now open the floor to questions from the media.
Ray, congratulations. Sa Go entry mo, anong usapan nyo? Siyempre, kumpiyansa ka na buong game at alam you were ready to take the shot.
Actually, yung play na yun, broken play na yun. O transition kasi yun eh. Yes, maganda lang yung spacing namin, kaya ako nakatira. Kaya nung nagkaroon ako ng chance na ma-open, talagang dinrap ko na yung opportunity na good thing naman. Talagang hindi ako nagmadali dun sa shot ko kasi yun nga, nararamdaman ko naman parang magka-cramps na naman ako eh. Pero buti na lang. Nakatira pa nung huli, social pa.
Actually, sabi mo nga nung service, knowledge na pressure ka to win yung Jason, and siguro makakalahati lang yung output ni Jason, okay ka na ba? Nakikita mo pa na yung kapilin, consistent na sa finals.
Siguro na nararamdaman ko yung presence ni Kuya Jason ngayon, even though wala siya sa venue, pero yun nga, yung presence niya, yung kanyang game kasi pinapanood ko rin. Yung nanonood kasi ako ng field namin, so malaking bagay sa akin yung nag-out muna ako sa social media mo. And then, isang factor din doon, yun nga, na-overcome ko yung pressure na yun. So, instead na parang akuin ko yung responsibility na yun, which is hindi naman talaga kaya, tinake ko siya as motivation. Kaya, yun nga yung naging outcome. Lumanda and naging lose ako every game.
Coach, doon nga sa sitwasyon na yun, bago yung press ni Ray, si Caldwell pa talagang tama yung rebounds din sa situation na yun. Pakabot lang yung design mo player kung keep the possession alive sa sequence na yun.
Our discussion pre-game was to be hard to guard. Kasi as you saw in the last game, Ginebra is doing a tremendous job, really denying, taking away our movement, hindering our flow. So sabi ko sa players, one-on-one na yan, be hard to guard. Kung di ka man maka-rebound, maka-open for your shots, then you will have a chance to offensive rebound. Because they're pressuring us so hard and denying so hard, then the inside and the rebounding is going to be open. So luckily, that's exactly what happened. I thought we got a few offensive rebounds tonight, 13 offensive rebounds. So the most important offensive rebounds were the last two. Sabi nga nila, it was already a broken play, but we stuck to our spacing. Everybody went into the right spots. and the ball just pounded.
Okay. May sinabi ba si Calvin sa'yo nung naka-press ka kasi di ba namitis na kasi yung parang medyo open
Layup o-
layup eh. Meron ba siyang sinabi sa'yo na nung non-convert na yung press kasi nga aaralan lang yung isa.
Wala naman siyang special na sinabi pero yun nga, usually yung kanila sinabi na good job lang. So, yung mga ganung little things kasi malaking bagay yun as a player, sa teammate eh, kasi parang nakaka-boost talaga ng confidence yun eh, na which is to show na may tiwala talaga yung teammate mo sa'yo. So, with that, kailangan mo lang i-pay off yung tiwala na yun. Yun nga, yung nangyari kanina, nag-miss siya ng layup, and then, naging, yun nga man, na-open naman ako. So, yun lang. Binalik ko lang yung tiwala ni Calvin na binigay niya sa akin.
Coach, offensively, nung game ko talagang record, meron bang mga kayong in-address to, yun nga, to address that nung game ng Padres?
So, nung Monday pa lang, the day after game 2, we came in and we worked on how to counter the defense of Ginebra. I don't think I've had the team ever to run 0 fast break points in my career. So we had 0 fast break points in game 2. So that was the first thing that we talked about in the wrestling practice. And then luckily we had an extra day yesterday, one more day to continue working on it. And today we got 11 at least 11 fast break. Mahirap talaga fast break ng Ginebra. They're very disciplined. Team coach King really prides himself in his ability to have transition defense, defend transition. So, kaya kailangan makascore kami doon. Because that was one of the factors.
Coach, good evening. Of course, we don't know the health situation in Justin Browning going to game 4, but do you see it as a added motivation or a rallying point for Barangay Ginebra?
Exactly. We don't know. But even without him, nakita niyo naman today how strong, how tight the team is. So without Justin, somebody else is going to step up. And again, they're going to rely on their defense, their ability to defend us, to generate stops for themselves. So, we're not, this is not over by the end. We have to make sure that we're ready.
That's it for post.
Yeah, that was one of the adjustments that we made. We studied the film, we analyzed. Maganda kasi tinatakbo ng starting lineup na yun since the last 2 games of the series. So we kept it. And then we won the first game. But after this, we have to make sure that we make some adjustments exactly because of the way he did it.
With that, we end our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen, for your time. Good evening.
Thank you.